Hey guys, Lan here on GradysMom. I have a Walmart haul here. I also have like a little bagel haul because I went to a little local like mom and pop bagel shop that's been here forever. I think it's like going on 40 years. So I'll show you the fresh bagels. From Walmart, everything I got was about $80 on the dot. So I had to pick up specific things. I got some little bites because I had a coupon. I actually had a coupon for this Delectables cat food. I actually don't need this, but it takes about 12 days because there's 12 in here. My cat gets one a day for me to go through one of these if you're curious, because I know a lot of people are always looking for new stuff to feed their cat. But they're a little pricey. They're $10.96 at Walmart, and again, it's a 12-pack, one a day, but I had like a $2 off coupon that was about to expire, so I went ahead and grabbed it. I don't actually need these, but the reason I got them is my Walmart almost always only has the peach flavor of this, which I do love. It's very rare since I've been paying attention to these to see any other flavor but peach. So when I saw that they had two other flavors, I grabbed these because I know I'm gonna love them. I've actually had both these flavors in the plastic bottle, but I recently have just talked about on my last, my Walmart favorite, like Walmart brand foodie things, how the cans taste a lot better. And actually a lot of you guys agreed and said that you thought the same thing. So I got the black cherry and the strawberry cans. They're $2.46 for a 12-pack. And these will last a while because, again, I didn't need them because I have peach, but I'll go ahead and put these in my basement fridge. And they're always nice, too, to have to offer to guests. I also ran out of the gallon size Ziploc, so I went ahead and got the mega pack of the Walmart brand, another item I talked about recently in that Walmart favorites video, the one before the food one. I will link both those videos down below, the Walmart favorite non-food items and the Walmart favorite food items. I'll link them both down below in case you want to check them out. My son needed new socks because he is in a size 3 now, and I never knew this, but I noticed all his socks were really small, and I thought maybe it was just from the dryer, but they were just the size down. So they were like the medium size, which is up to like a size 2.5, I think. So they were just a little bit small. So I went and got the next size up in the large, 3 to 9. So these will be plenty big for him because, again, he's in a size 3 now. So I got this 6-pack. It has actually 7. It's 6-pack plus a bonus pack, which is like a different style. But anyways, they were $5.50, I believe, which I thought was a great deal. I love getting socks at Walmart for Grady since he goes through them so quickly. I'm very, probably way too excited about this. I have been wanting one of these ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken breaker upper things for I could not tell you guys how long. And it's just something that always slipped my mind, or I never thought to like look for it online. But I remembered today for some reason, and I went over to the like utensil area of the kitchen supplies, and I found this. It's the Walmart brand Mainstays hamburger chopper. Again, I'm going to use this for ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, and it was like $3 something. So I'm so excited to finally have one of these because it's something I think about every time I am browning up meat, how much I need one of these. I got some celery sticks. These are like the ready washed, ready to go, chopped up, you know, ready to eat kind of sticks. So you just have to cut them into smaller pieces. My son has been asking for raspberries, but they haven't been looking that good lately, at least here, but these actually looked really good, so I went ahead and got them. They're super expensive this time of year, but my son, you know, he only asks for specific things once in a while, so I went ahead and grabbed them, and they're a healthy little option for him to have. These, you guys saw me go through a huge phase with these several months back. The Little Potato Company potatoes. First of all, these are awesome. They're not only convenient, but they taste really good. They're really foolproof. You literally just microwave the pack for 5 minutes, pour the seasoning mix on with a little olive oil or butter. Great side. The only reason I stopped buying them several months ago when I was buying them consistently is the price. They're $3.97. And yes, that is expensive, at least in my opinion. I know some people have a different, you know, budget, but they are expensive, especially considering you could buy a whole bag of potatoes for that price. But I decided to splurge this week and get them. I'm not going to buy them every week like I used to, but I thought maybe once a month I would splurge and get them because they are that good. I don't know what it is about the seasoning pack or the specific potatoes, but for a little splurge, these are good. $3.97. They have a bunch of different flavors, and this one is really good. I did pick up a few little Valentine's Day items for Grady's teachers. So I'm starting to work on their Valentine's Day little gift bag, I guess you'd call it. So one of the things I picked up to make up the little bags are these Lindt limited edition strawberries and cream. So it's strawberries and cream white chocolate truffles. You can see that there. So I picked up this, and they're about $5 and change. And these were $2.98. They are the Kitkat red velvet flavor miniature individually wrapped bars. So these are the 2 candy things I'm going to put in their little goodie bags, and then the rest of the stuff I'm working on pulling together. And of course, later this month, I will have that video up for you on my channel. Also in the seasonal aisle, I grabbed this Angie's Boom Chicka Pop White Chocolate and Peppermint Kettle Corn. Love, love, love this, especially this flavor. I absolutely love this flavor. I actually might go back when I go to Walmart probably later in the week and get a couple more bags, because when this flavor is gone, it's gone. I did go to the deli. I got some hard salami and some sandwich pepperoni to make wraps and stuff for my husband's sandwiches this week. I grabbed some guacamole seasoning mix because I want to do a batch of guacamole this weekend for football playoffs. I got some Go-Go Squeeze Berry Madness in the Blast pouch. It's a bigger pouch. My son really likes this one. It's 100% fruit, no sugar added, and it's also gluten, nut, and dairy-free and non-GMO. I did also get the Great Value brand white cranberry peach juice. It's $1.48, so it's significantly cheaper than the Ocean Spray one, and it tastes very comparable, so I grabbed that. And then I did get a whole bunch of like individual drinks for a couple reasons. So my son over the weekend, this past weekend, or I guess at this point last weekend, he tried one of the Naked juices in the mango flavor. And I know that might not seem like a big deal, but our son is autistic, so he has a lot of sensory and texture issues. He's very picky about what he eats, drinks, and puts in his mouth in general. So for him to try something new is a really big deal to us. I know a lot of you guys might not understand that, but because your kids might just be open to trying new things, but our son is not. So he seemed to like it. So I decided to get a few more, this is for my husband, but I decided to get a few more different ones just to have him try them. Because I'm always trying to get him to just try something. Even if he tries it and spits it out, that's okay. But just the fact that he's even trying it is a really big deal. So I got this Naked Protein Tropical one. It says it has 30 grams of protein, and then it has like all the ingredients in it. And then I also got Strawberry Banana and Berry Blast. Now these are larger ones. The one he tried was like a mini one. And the nice thing is, if he tries it and he doesn't like it, I will happily drink it, or my husband will happily drink it. I'll just go ahead and pour like a little bit of this into like a cup, and he can try it. And if he wants more, great. If not, one of us can drink it. They are pricey though, so if he does end up liking a specific one, I'll try and look for it like in a bulk pack instead of buying them individually. Also for my son, I got this Fairlife strawberry milk. He really likes the Fairlife chocolate milk. So this one is a 1% low-fat, ultra filtered strawberry milk, so I got this for him to try. Again, I'll do the same thing, pour it into a cup, and if he wants more, he can have more. And then in that same section, I saw this Bolt House Farms Mocha Cappuccino drink that I think my husband will really like, so I grabbed that for him specifically. So that's Walmart. Moving on to the bagels, if you can see, these bags are steamed up because these bagels are warm and doughy. They are so fresh. They're here in New York. We have a lot of great bagel places. See how condensated this bag is? Oh, they're so warm and good, like, oh, I could just pull them apart and eat them right now. I love me a bagel. But anyways, we have a lot of good mom and pop bagel shops here. We don't really have like bagel chains like Bruegger's and stuff like that. We just have like mom and pop places. So I've got 3 fresh everything bagels, sesame bagel, and then I always try and keep those separate from, my son likes plain bagels, and if like he doesn't like the seeds, so I try to always keep anything seeded away from his. So I've got 3 plain, so 2 are here, 1's hiding under here. I've got a cinnamon raisin, and then I've got an apple cinnamon raisin here. So my son will have the 3 plain, you know, over time, and then my husband and I will have the rest of them. And then I also got, they make homemade cream cheese. They have like 15 different kinds. I do not eat cream cheese. I don't like it, but my husband does. And this is their homemade cheddar bacon cream cheese, and he absolutely loves it. So just a nice little way to give him some breakfast in the morning, or me to have breakfast. I even like to make my husband bagel sandwiches. But anyways, this is what I got for the week. There may or may not be another haul after this. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning. There might be another small haul after this, guys. If not, I will just go right into my meal plan. Hey guys, so it's a couple days later. I just got a few more things from Walmart that I needed. Sorry, my washer's going in the background if you can hear it. Sorry about that. But yeah, 50 bucks, everything from Walmart. I got some Oreo individual packs. I like these because they come in a 2-pack. There's not like 8 of them. I've seen some with like 6 or 8 in a pack. These only have 2. And I really like portion control because at night when I want something sweet, I'm not eating like 30 of these. I did get a big bottle of the Naked Mighty Mango because my son seems to like this one the best out of all the ones he's tried. So I got a big one. It was more cost effective just to pour it into a cup, and I actually really like it as well. So I grabbed that. I got some chocolate Teddy Grahams, some Walmart Great Value brand zipper quart size bags. I use this size a lot for Matt's sandwiches. Some Downy Nature Blend. This is a plant-based fabric conditioner, and it is in the rose water and aloe scent. It says it has a touch of coconut oil and it's free of dyes and gentle on skin. We needed dishwasher pods. I think I'm down to like my last 5, and I pretty much run it every day. I forgot to get these at BJ's last week, but I grabbed them from Walmart. I got some Great Value Walmart brand pepper jack sliced cheese for sandwiches for my husband, a English cucumber to use on salads or to cut up for dip. I got some zucchini because next week I want to do stuffed zucchini boats for dinner one night. I got some cherry tomatoes for salads, a couple of these Hormel Natural Choice snack things for Matt. This one is chicken, cheddar, and chocolate covered almonds. And this one is turkey, cheddar, and chocolate covered pretzels. I went over to the Valentine's Day section just to kind of browse, and I found this little donut notebook, mini notebook with a little pen for 98 cents. So I thought that would be perfect to throw in my bag for after. I think I have like only just a few pages left of a little notebook similar to this but square. So I'll be needing something to replace that, and I like small and slim. So I got this, and it's nice that it comes with the pen. I'll just keep them together. And then also in the Valentine's section, I found this little bag that says I love you to the moon and back. And I thought this would be good to use for my son, a friend, anybody really. I've just always loved that saying, and I liked the actual bag itself. It looks really kind of higher quality, and it was only 98 cents, and I'm a huge sucker for gift bags. I don't hoard that many things, but one thing I do hoard are gift bags. I just love them. But anyways, 50 bucks for all of this stuff, and I'm going to show you guys my meal plan for the upcoming week. Hey guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. Sunday the 14th, or sorry, the 13th, I'm celebrating my birthday at home with my family. So my parents, my sister, my brother, my in-laws, maybe my brother. I don't know if he has to work or not. But we are having like a family party here at our house. And pretty much everybody else is doing the cooking since it's my birthday. But I am going to pick up a few things to, of course, contribute since I'm technically hosting. One night next week, I'm going to do stuffed sausage parm zucchini boats with rice. I do have a cooking video on my stuffed zucchini, but it's a different version. I think it's like a turkey taco one. So I'll link that down below, but I do the same thing with the sausage, except instead of the turkey, I use the sausage, and then I use marinara and mozzarella cheese with Parmesan. And I'll do some kind of rice on the side. One night I'm going to do some shortcut chicken parm sandwiches with those Perdue all natural like chicken patties. I do like a shortcut chicken parm with mozz cheese. Marinara, I serve it on some kind of roll, and then I have plenty of different homemade soups in the freezer that I will thaw out, and we're going to do like a soup and sandwich night. One night I'm going to do no meat, so I'll either make some minestrone soup or some corn chowder, both which I can make with no meat products at all. One night I'm going to do some turkey burgers. I have about, I don't know, a pound of turkey, ground turkey meat I have to use up. So I'll just make them into patties and do turkey burgers on some brioche rolls that are in the freezer. I have to thaw them. I'll do some oven fries on the side and then some salads. And then another night I'm going to do pulled pork quesadillas with some kind of veggie on the side. I might do like sauteed peppers and onions, kind of like a fajita style veggie. And then the quesadillas, I just do the normal quesadilla way with a tortilla, but instead of like chicken, I put in pulled pork with cheese and probably some black beans and maybe some corn. And then next Saturday, the 19th, My husband and I are having a date night for my birthday. My birthday is actually the 14th, but we're going to celebrate it. My husband and I are going to celebrate it with a date night on the 19th because we're having our family party on the 13th. But that's the meal plan for the upcoming week. I'm still using my pages in the back of this planner. I still have several more to go because I want to use up all the pages before I purchase a new one of these. I still get a lot of questions about these. It's the Carrie L meal planner. I love these. I've been using them for about 3 years now. They have all kinds of different sections where you can plan monthly or weekly, and then all kinds of weekly pages with a tear out grocery list you can use, like this one. But yeah, if you're ever interested in one of these, I know a lot of people are getting on the meal planning train. I do have a permanent discount code with her down below in the description box, so feel free to check that out if you're looking for one. They do go in and out of stock. I'm not sure right at this moment if they're in stock, but she's always coming out with new designs and new ideas. They're extremely well made. It also comes in a mini version, which I think is the one I'm going to get when my pages in the back run out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.